Let's see the patterns. 0 times 1 equals 0. 0 times any number is 0. Nine times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 times 242. So that's 18. Well, let's do it like this. 18. 1. So 9 times 4 is 37. 38. 9. So that's 38. 9 times 2 is 18 plus. So 18. So that's 21. So 3, 16, 7 is 9. It's 10. I made an error, but I know the pattern is there. So that's because that's a 7. So that's 15. So that's 6. So that's 9. Let's do it again. 9 times 2. So 9. So that's 18. 36. Oh, 37. Duh. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 3 is... That's what happened. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 3 equals 9. So 9 times any number, when added up, always gets back to 9. Just like 0. 9 and 0 seem to be linked. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And so on. It goes up by 1. It just gives you the same number that you're multiplying by. So then 8 must resemble 1, but backwards. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Yeah. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So the next one should be 6. It's doing the same thing that 1 is doing, but 1 is going up by 1. 8 is going down by 1. So 8 times 3 is 24, right? 24. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So the next one is going to be 5. 8 times 4. So that's 8 times 2 is 16, 32. So 3 plus 2 is 5. The next one should be 4. So 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 1 is 4. The next one should be 3. 8 times 6 is 48. 4 plus 8. 1, 2, 4. is... Wait, what? 48. 4 plus 8. Yeah, it's 12. So that's 12. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 9 is doing the same thing that 0 is doing. 1 is doing the same thing that 8 is doing, but backwards. So the pattern should repeat if 2 times 1, let's see, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2, 4. The next one should be 6, 8, 10, which is 1. And then the next one should be 3, and then 5, and then 7, right? So 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10, which is 1, because 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 12. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. So if this pattern seems to be wanting to join towards the middle, and the operations on the top are going one way, the operations in the bottom are doing the same thing but backwards. Duality. Okay, so let's see. I'm bad with the sevens, but let's see. It should be going like 7, 5, 3, 1, and then 8, 6. So let's write this down. So the first one we know it's 7. The next one should be, because this one is 7, 5, 3, 1. So this one should be 7, 5, 3, 1. And then 8, 6, 4, 2. Alright, so let's add the equations. So 7 times 2 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 times 4 is 1. So 7, 14, 28. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. It's doing the pattern. 7 times 5 equals 35. 3 plus 5 is 8. Yeah, it's doing it. 7 times 6. So that's 42. 7 times 6. 42. So 4 plus 2 is 6. I don't need to go on, but let me at least get to 0. No, it wouldn't be 0. It will go back to 7. Okay, so 7 times 7 is 49. 49. 4 plus 9. No. What? 7 times 7, 49. 13. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 7 times 8 is, so I gotta use a calculator, 56. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So then let's just do the next one. 7 plus 9. So 9 times 7 is 63. So it's going to 9. It's 9. It's 9. Yeah, 9, and then it's going to be 7. And it's going to repeat. It's going to repeat that. So 7 is doing the same thing that 2 is doing. 7 is doing the same thing that 2 is doing, but backwards. 8 is doing the same thing that 1 is doing, but backwards. 9 is doing the same thing that 0 is doing. But instead of it always adding up to 0, it's always adding up to 9. So the pattern shall continue. So 3 times 1 is, this one I've done before. So this one has a pattern of always being 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So that's 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus, I'm putting time. Yeah, it is 3 times 5 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 plus 6. 3 times 6 is 6 times 3, 12, 18. So that's 9. So it keeps doing 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. So the one down here should be doing the same thing, but instead of 3, 6, 9, it should be 9, 6, 3. So 6 times 1 is, 6 times 1 is 6. So then the next one should be 3, and then 9, and then 6, and then 3, and then, dang it, I don't need to do the whole thing. So who cares if all that's over there? Alright, so 6 times 2 is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 times 3 equals 9. No it doesn't. No it doesn't. 3 times 6 is 18. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 6 times 4. So 6, 12, 24. 2 plus 4 is 6. And so on. I'll just stop on this one. 6 times 5 is 30. So 3 plus 0 is 3. So 6 and 3 are doing the same thing but backwards. That is beautiful. So then what about 4 and 5? So let's put 4 times 1 and let's put 5 times 1. Well, what is this doing? So 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. So that's 3. Let's do 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4, 8, 12, 3. What pattern is this making? Times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 4, 8, 3. So that's 20. So that's 2. Oh, that's cool. So it's jumping. So it's 2, 3, 4, and then this one's doing 7, 8. So then this one should be 9. So then the next number should be 6. The next number should be 6. It's a little funky, but it has a pattern. 4 times 6 is, so 6, 12, 24. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then the next number, this is fun. So the next number should be 1. The next number should be 1 because this one is 3. It's 4, 3, 2. So now 1. And then the next one should be 5. And then 0. And then 4. And then 9 again. And then 3. Okay, so let's see. So 4 times 7 is, so 7, 14, 28. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 1. Yes, it's 1. So the next one should be 5. 4 times 8 equals 8, 16, 32. So 3 plus 2 is 5. The next one should be 0. 4 times 9 equals 36. It's not 0, it's 9. It's 9. This one should still be 4. So 0 doesn't exist there. There's no 0. But anyways, 4 times 10 is 40. 4 plus 0 is 4. The next one, instead of 9, it should be 8. That was my error because I didn't realize that there's no 0. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But kind of, it jumps. One of them is going backwards, and one of them is going... Well, how do I explain the pattern? Every 2 is going down by 1. Well, you see the pattern. So 4 times 11 is 44. So 4 plus 4 is 8. The next one should be 3, because this one was 4. This one was 5. It's going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And in between, it's doing the other one. 9, 8, 7, 6. That is awesome. That is awesome. So that means that 5 is doing the same thing but backwards. So let's see. 5 times 1 is 5. So if we're using the same pattern as that one, it's going to be 5. Then this one is going to be another number. But then the next one is going to be 4. Then it should be 6. It's going up. Yeah, it should be 6. And then it's going to do one number, which is going up from this one in the middle. And then the one after that one should be 7. So let's figure out this number so we can see the pattern better. So 5 times 2 equals 10, which is 1. So then the number in between this one should be 2, and then 3, and then 8, and then 4, 7, 3, 6, 2. You see this one and this one and this one. They're jumping up by 1, and then this one and this one and 8. They're jumping up by 1 too. So this one should be 5. Oh, sorry, it's going down. All right, so 5 times 3 is 15. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 times 6 is 30. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 times 7 is 35. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 times 8 is 40. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 times 9 is 45. What am I doing here? 5 times 9. Right? 5 times 9 is 45. 4 and 5 is 9. Why is it 9? Why is it 9? 3. Oh, duh. What? What did I do? 8, 9. So then this one should... There's no 0, right? Was that my mistake? I put 0 again? I don't even know what number I put there. But, so then this one should be 1 again. And then this one should... let's just go up. 5 times 10 is 50. So this one is 5. This one should be 4. No, 6. Okay, so 5 times 11 is 55. 1, which is 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 times 12 is... So 5 15, 1, 10. 1 plus 1 is what? 15. 5 times 12. Duh, it's 60. Man, it's been a while since I've done that. But, so then 65 and then 70. Okay, so 60 is 6. 65 is 11. So that's 12. So it's going... Okay, let's see. 5 times 1 is 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, and then the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's doing the same thing that 4 is doing, but backwards. That's cool.